Today, let's check out this very special Bultaco TSS racer. Well, welcome to Bator International and Bator Classic Auctions. Very happy to offer up this very special motorcycle. This was a Daytona winner back in 1998 by Mr. Ginger Malloy. And as you can see, it's in very nice original condition. I'll call it off the track condition. It's running the Acron wheels front and rear, large Aldani front brake, large Dell'Orto carburetor with a remote float bowl. Apparently this is a special cylinder and head configuration, at least that's what's been told to me. Don't know exactly what was done in there. And apparently the rear swing arm has also been extended. Even has a couple of signatures from Ginger Malloy himself. Running Works Performance shocks. Handmade expansion chamber by Mr. Malloy himself. And I believe this to be a numbers matching bike, M6000440 and B600-440. It's also running Honda front forks. And again, just a very, very special, very, very nice motorcycle. We also have an extra expansion chamber that goes with the bike. It's right over here. And this motorcycle, along with many others, are going to be going over our Fall 22 auction through Bator Classic Auctions. So make sure you go to our website, check it out. If you have not registered yet for the auction, please feel free to do so. It is no charge to you, and it's very simple to sign up. We have a number of really great motorcycles, a lot of parts going through and so on. So I think we have it scheduled for mid-October. So again, go to the site, check it out, sign up, and this bike could be yours. While you're up on YouTube, make sure you check out all the rest of the videos we have, quite a few of them up. Also, you can subscribe to our channel. And if you want to leave a comment, please feel free to do so. Thanks again for watching. I hope you like what we do. And again, check out Bator Classic Auctions and Bator International for more details on this motorcycle. Thanks for watching.